Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at a computer case. So this is the Silencio S600 from Cooler Master. As the name suggests, it's a silent case, so it dampens the sound, making sure the sound of the internals don't get out. So let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. So first off is this brown cardboard box. So looking inside the box, there are two items. One is a membrane cover of sorts, which is kind of like a mesh. It's a soft cover, which means that you could place it on top. It will give you some amount of sound dampening, but will also allow for air to flow through since it does have openings. But that also means that it's probably not going to be very silent. The other one is a plastic cover which has magnetic sections. So that one is a hard cover. It's going to close the case completely, so it would give you better sound dampening. Alright, so let's take the case out. With the case out, you can see that it's packed in some styrofoam, so let's remove the styrofoam as well as the plastic cover. Included is a quick user guide, so this shows how to assemble the case, the various components, and how to put it together. So we finally have the case fully open and exposed. As you can see, it's quite a minimalist design, completely matte black with a few sections of piano black. The piano black sections are covered in plastic to ensure that they are shiny. At the rear, you can see the usual I/O. At the top, you can see the open panel section. This is for where the covering plates go, either the membrane one, which had a mesh, or the hard seal one. The front of the case can be opened. As you can see, it has a soft foam section which helps both in sound insulation as well as dust protection. Hit pause now to review the specs, and do get subscribed to catch our full deep dive review of this case. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like this video and tell your friends about us. See you in the next one.